Welcome back to our channel. We provide you detailed information on medicines and drugs to help you inform your health. In today's video, we can talk about Neurobion RF Forte Injection. Coverage, uses, benefits, side effects, how to use and how it works. Let's get started. Manufactured by Procter & Gamble Health Ltd. Neurobion RF Forte Injection. Uses. Neurobion RF Forte Injection is mainly used for the treatment of nutritional deficiencies, especially when the body lacks essential vitamins needed for nerve and metabolic functions. Benefits. This injection contains essential vitamins that help the body perform important functions. It supports the formation of red blood cells, enhances iron absorption, and helps the body convert fats and carbohydrates into energy. It also aids protein formation, boosts immunity, supports metabolism, and ensures proper functioning of the nervous system. Since it is an injectable supplement, it is administered by a doctor or nurse and can significantly improve overall health and quality of life. Side effects. Neurobion RF Forte Injection is generally well tolerated, but like all medicines, it may cause mild side effects. The most common are injection site reactions such as pain, swelling, or redness. How to use. This injection should only be administered by a doctor or a trained nurse. Do not attempt to self-inject. Follow your doctor's advice regarding dose and frequency. How it works. Neurobion RF Forte Injection is a combination of 3 nutritional supplements: methylcobalamin, vitamin B6, pyridoxine, and nicotinamide. Together, they replenish the body's vitamin stores, support nerve health, improve metabolism, and maintain overall body functions.